Hey guys, it's Dani'i and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic, specifically Tropical Storm Gabrielle that might be a threat to land later in the week. But before I go into details, please take a second or two to tap that subscribe button if you haven't, as well as the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video. And you can also share to make persons out there know what is taking place and to help the channel grow. You can also follow my weather account on Instagram at weathergirldani2. Alright, so Gabrielle is currently in the open Atlantic. It's currently a tropical storm with winds of 60 miles per hour. So it strengthened a bit from 50 miles per hour yesterday. So of course it is expected to move to the northwest and then turn out to the northeast soon. And then that is where it will pick up in its acceleration as well as start to weaken. And it might affect the United Kingdom and Ireland by later in the week by sometime on Thursday. So maybe if it is still a tropical system by then, we will see the National Hurricane Center sending out those watches and warnings for potential tropical cyclone impact. And this is what Gabrielle is currently looking like, pretty much fairly organized tropical cyclone. So as time goes by, we might see more organization. The National Hurricane Center are not expecting it to become a hurricane, but to peak with winds of 65 miles per hour. So that is not too far from a hurricane, just 10 miles per hour short. So there is a possibility that it might reach that status, but for now we're keeping that 65 miles per hour potential highest winds. And also, let's not just stay in Gabrielle. We have another system out there, which is Invest 94L, which calls for a bit of concern. So this is what Invest 94L is currently looking like. It is to the west of the Cabo Verde Islands, I believe. So this has a medium chance of formation from the National Hurricane Center, but the 8 a.m. update's not in as yet, so they're a bit late this morning. But let's go with what we have. So these are the tracks that show, the spaghetti models that show where the system might go, and we see that majority of them agreeing somewhat on a path to the Caribbean. So we have to wait and see, which is probably likely that we see that it might come into the Caribbean. So Lesser Antilles really need to pay attention to this. It is given a 40% chance as of 2 a.m. this morning, so we don't know if this is going to go up. The chances have been fluctuating since few days ago, so there seems a bit of uncertainty with whether or not it might become a tropical system, but regardless, it must be watched. And with the potential intensity, we see that some of the models here, I'd say most of them are agreeing that this might become a tropical storm, but only about 3 say it might become a hurricane from what is available right now. So we don't know what is going to happen as yet. We just have to wait and see. So guys, if you found this video pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up and remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics.